Hey there, Byron Patrick, CEO of VerifyiQ here, and I'm going to try to cover our new commenting flags update in less than 120 seconds. So let's get started. You will now notice within VerifyiQ, when you click on a flag, there's a new pop-up where you can leave a comment. I can leave a comment and I can click comment and that will leave a comment. You will see there's a flag here that shows you that there's a comment. In addition, if you click on here and want to change the status, you will now be forced to provide an explanation for this override. This is an important best practice for both your own recall of why you overrode transactions and a reviewer's understanding of why you overrode the transactions. This is correct. That's a terrible explanation, but for our purposes, I'm just going to give that override. Now, you can also override multiple transactions at once and leave a comment for all of them. So you will notice this checkbox, apply the same explanation, is there for everything. So all the same. I'm going to press Control Enter on my keyboard, and that will also return the comment. Now, if I select multiple transactions and override again, if I uncheck this box, I can now leave 1, Control Enter, 2, Control Enter, and you see that it actually goes through each of the transactions so that you can see the comment, see the additional comment, more comments. I can add those here. Also note line 1, if I press enter, it will go to line 2 rather than applying. That's why Control Enter will actually return it. And you can also edit these flags. So this is a great way for both the bookkeeper and the reviewer to be able to exchange comments directly associated with the transactions or the balances that are being overridden or there are questions on them. Finally, you can cancel an override. If you cancel that override, it will cancel the override, and you will notice that the notes will still be in the transaction. I hope you are as excited as I am for this new functionality. Let us know, send us a note, hit us up in the chat. See you soon. Thanks.